Hey, what's going on YouTube? MemphisMike here, and tonight, that's right, tonight, I want to just show you one tip and one reason alone for buying a motorcycle jack or a motorcycle lift for your motorcycle. Watch. Paradise. Hey, what's going on YouTube? MemphisMike here, and tonight, that's right, tonight, I want to just show you one tip and one reason alone for buying a motorcycle jack or a motorcycle lift for your motorcycle. Watch. So as you can see right here, I've got my motorcycle suspended on a motorcycle jack right here. This is my newly motorcycle acquired lift that I've got. And I'll be covering it more in detail as times to come. But I've had this thing for about 2 weeks, and I want to show you just one thing and one reason alone for you to buy a motorcycle jack. So here's just one reason. This is only one reason now. You know, when it comes to cleaning your motorcycle, you know how sometimes you gotta lay down on the ground. It's hard to reach the back wheel. Even if you have a center stand, like the big Honda Goldwing or some other bikes, to get underneath the back tire and the front tire, it's a real pain in the booty to do that. And you know, if I clean my bike that way, you know, the next day I wake up, I'm taking all kinds of Advil, and man, I'm just sore and everything. But here's one reason to have a motorcycle lift. It's for ease of cleaning your bike. Watch this. All right, watch this. With just a cheap stool from Harbor Freight, I picked it up for 20 bucks. And I can sit down. Look at this. I am eye level with the bike. Man, just right here. Look at that. Sitting down. Easy to clean. Wipe it down. No worries, no problem. Clean the wheel. Easy to get to. I don't have to bend down, don't have to strain. Man, this has partly been worth it alone just to be able to clean the bike. It gets it up in the air. Look at that. You can wipe the fairing down, the side covers, everything. Most people think that a motorcycle jack is just good for working on the motorcycle, but it makes it so much easier to clean the bike, to detail the bike, to wipe on it. I've noticed since I've had this jack, actually I've cleaned my bike more than I ever have. Because it's too easy. I don't have to lay on the ground and get down on the ground. I can just spray it down, wipe it down. Perfect. Saves me a lot of time, a lot of energy, a lot of effort. So if you're thinking about getting a motorcycle jack or a motorcycle lift for your bike, I suggest you get one, because it makes just cleaning the motorcycle easier. That's all I've got for you guys. Just a quick tip here for cleaning your motorcycle and a reason to buy a motorcycle jack or a lift. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. This is MemphisMike, and I will see you later.